Hello, everybody. Oh, do that. Oh, we get doubles. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay, now we're like. So, hello, everybody, and welcome back to Laundry Simulator. Now, basically, I bought this laundry machine, which is, of course, another large laundry machine. But I think I'm gonna make a lot of progress. But yeah, let's continue. Okay, so we got a lot. Got 50, I think. Got 50. But this is like huge. Like, how are you supposed to get all the way up top up there? Find a way else. Find something. Weapon. Get every close. We're making like a lot of progress so far. Three, two. Oh, we're gonna earn so much clothes. Oh, wait, not so much clothes. I meant coins. Of course, this happened. Back again. Ugh. Had to do a lot. But don't worry. It does it again, it does it again. Get everything. We emptied everything, but they're not. They can't walk. Oh my gosh. It's insane. Can you believe that? Wow. Oh gosh, we need to grab every clothes we can. Get everything. Get. We're gonna earn a lot of coins, aren't we? Guarantee. Well, because last time it was like 100,000. Like who? Like, oh my gosh, it's like so quick. Get you like a mission or something. We got a lot of the gold and silver ones, so this time we're probably gonna get like a lot of coins, aren't we? Guarantee you. I guarantee you we will. What? What? Yeah, this is huge. Yo, this is amazing. Oh yeah, we earned a lot. So this is how we're gonna earn a lot. This is how we're gonna earn a lot of points. Okay, I made a right decision. Okay, it's full. Kidding me? Are you kidding me? Without asking me. Whatever. It's like, hey! Oh, it hit my furniture. Can I do that? Of course I did. I did hit my furniture. You can see it? No, you can't. It's no longer mine. It's someone else's laundry plot. I don't know. Now it's mine. Okay? Okay, so this is how we're gonna earn a lot of coins. 2 laundry machines that are large. It's gonna get good. I am sure. Guarantee you. Yay. Already finished. Wasn't expecting enough. Wasn't expecting that, huh? Wasn't expecting this much. That's a lot. Guarantee you that's a lot. Got it. Whoa. See? Earn a lot of coins. Much better, much easier to do. Good to collect these. You did 20. Come on. Don't scare me. Oh wait, there's another one coming. Whatever. Okay. Oh! Oh, I forgot. Oh, shoot. Quick! Gotta do it. Gotta do it quicker and faster. Meanwhile, these are finished. Oh yeah, we're gonna earn a lot of coins. Trust me. You get this. So finished. So easy game. Okay, watch this. Whoa! Oh my! Okay, it's unbelievable right now. I don't believe the part of this. It's amazing. I love it. I like it and it's cool. Alright, give me these clothes. Come on. Even the front. Give me all those clothes. Give me them. Oh, good. Are you kidding me? You're giving me a lot of clothes to do, huh? So I'm working here. I guess that. Gotta work, I gotta work. Okay, buy cars, I guess. Buy cars. Not doing anything wrong. Okay. So, yeah. Yeah. Okay, Done. Days are done. Oh, I think I've done so much coins. Oh my gosh, that is enormous. I don't know what to call my plot anymore. Probably like maybe something enormous or something. Give me them. Hey, hey. Go. Show my favorite. No. Okay, they're coming. Coming. Okay. That's cool. This is cool. This is all great. This is great and fantastic. I got to mention. It's cool. but by the mention of the fact. Oh, yo, that is sick. Yo. But yes, basically, of course, this game is cool. Check it out. I have posted like few videos. Like, wow. Like, oh my gosh. Like, this game, I don't know if you can stop playing this game. You can. This game will make you like, oh, like, cool. And it's a cool game. This is a private server, fun fact. This game is not unpopular, it's good. Just reminding you, I'm in a private server, and there are 100 robots. So, just to let you know, like, why is there no people joining then? Like, that, you guys are like, why is there no people? And you're the only one. This game's probably unpopular. No. The reason why they're not joining is because I did not invite them to my private server. But it'll become more laggier and lag. So, to be honest, it makes sense. Oh my gosh, we hit 1 million coins. Oh, but that is going to do it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below what game I want to try next. But thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time.